everyone, welcome to Bollywood Bubble Live. This is your host Rishti Pathak, and today we're going to be connecting to Shefali Jariwala, obviously on public demand. Meanwhile, if you have any specific questions for her, you all can write it down and I'll pick the best ones out, like every day. Hello there, how are you doing?
Hello, how are you?
All well, I had come over to your house when you were in the Big Boss house, apparently, and I had come to interview your husband and had a good time with your doggy as well.
Yes, he's well, he's sitting right here.
He must be having the time of his life since he can see you around all the time.
He's actually wondering why Mummy Papa are home so much.
I'm
He
sure.
also got bored of us.
So I know it's a little difficult for all of us to be sitting at home, but it's going to be a little more extra difficult for you since you.
I saw a cat picture.
Yeah, I have 16 of them.
Wow, 16 cats?
Yeah.
Can you recognize all of them?
Yeah.
That is so cool. How do you manage with so many cats?
It's
Cats, you know?
And it's more like they are managing me, since it's quarantine and it's really boring. So they make my day.
How
So I was going to tell you that, so it is obviously difficult for all of us, but it's going to be a little more difficult since you were just locked up in the Big Boss house and now you're locked up in your own house. How frustrated are you?
You really want to know?
Yeah.
You don't want to know.
Tell me.
So, the lockdown is very different. Yeah, Big Boss house lockdown was so different. We were cut off from the outside world completely, and with our families. And you were living in a beautiful house with a bunch of strangers. Some that you may like, some that you may not like. However, this lockdown is much better. आप अपने घर की comfort में हैं. You're with your family. Nobody is getting eliminated every weekend. So it's not that bad. And besides, I was away from home, for 13 weeks, over 3 months. So I was initially kind of enjoying this time at home, but now is getting to me because I'm dying to get back to work. I've been working 18 years and I've never been home so much. So initially I really enjoyed it, caught up on my sleep and, did everything that I wanted to do. I liked, this, that, cleaning, blah, blah. But अभी थोड़ा लग रहा है कि I wish I can get out.
बस हो गया.
My friends. I wish I can get back to work. I'm missing my shoot. I'm missing my stage. I'm missing normal life.
I'm sure people are missing you too. And however, thankfully, हमारे पास Instagram है, social media है, so we can stay connected.
So we are connected. That is a great thing.
So just for example, अगर ये भी नहीं होता, तो आप क्या करते?
ये भी नहीं होता तो कर लेते survive. I mean, come on, you got to learn to survive in anniversaries. Big Boss house में भी कहाँ था technology? There was nothing there. There was not even a watch there. घड़ी तक नहीं थी कि हमें पता चले कि वक्त क्या हो रहा है. अगर उसको survive कर लिया है तो ये भी survive कर लेंगे.
Naturally. Talking about surviving Big Boss, you have been everybody's favorite, and you've been a very, very fair player in the house, to be precise. But however, there has to be just one winner whenever there's any game. Who do you think should have won apart from you if you go to see?
I always thought Siddharth will win.
You knew that?
Also. Yeah. At the beginning. Because, he had every quality of, that one needs to be a Big Boss winner. He was very sensible, very logical. He had the popularity element also. He's a very popular artist. And he was a very strong player. He was very, his strategies were great. He had a great journey. He had a beautiful connection with Shinaz. That also worked very well. Signals on themselves are very popular. He's very smart, mature, and so he had all the qualities of being a winner. I always thought he's going to win, and I was very happy when he won.
How sweet of you to have that kind of a big heart and not take your own
Yeah,
name.
see, I understand. See, surviving Big Boss, Big Boss usually is a 3 month format. Okay.
जी
And
जी.
this time it got extended to 4.5 months. I did 13 weeks, so I did more than the 3 months of a Big Boss. And believe me, it's a very, very difficult game. And this season, everybody was a player. So many wildcard entries had come in. In total, I think 22 or 23 people have participated in Big Boss this year. So, to be able to make a mark for yourself, to stand out from the rest itself is like winning. And always there is
Absolutely.
one winner. But doesn't mean that those people who don't win don't gain out of the show. The popularity that we've gained, especially this season, was immensely popular.
Absolutely.
It was great to be a part of this season and letting people know my true personality. And it was wonderful. And it's okay to not win. Life's not about winning always. It's about the journey. And the journey was really beautiful for me. I think I enjoyed myself thoroughly.
So, if given a chance again, would you want to do that again, all over again?
Yes, anytime.
Wow, wow.
Because it's such an experience, I am telling you. I thoroughly enjoyed every day. Of course, there were fights, but that's the game. But the things that we did inside the house, it was so memorable. The tasks that we performed, the friendships that were formed, the connections that were formed. It was such a beautiful experience. If given a chance, I would take it, in a second. And I would go back into the business.
Wow. I hope the makers are listening and they make sure that we get to see you again in the next season. So, tell me, Big Boss में तो obviously, let me just clear सबसे पहले दिया. This is a very common question that everybody would ask and everybody would, think, and even I as a person think कि क्या ये show rigged है, क्या ये show pre-planned है, क्या ये show ये तो just clear the air for all of us.
How can the show be rigged? आप बताइए.
Absolutely.
Everything that's going on, inside, the dynamics change between the people because there are so many people living in the house. One day you like something, then something happens and you don't like. The only thing that is scripted about the show is that the task is given to you and teams are formed by Big Boss. But then how you go about it, how you do it, one thing leads to the other, and that's how the story is built up. So in Big Boss, as a player, you are your own director, your own script writer. You create your own story. There is no scripting out there. The only time you get to talk to Big Boss is when there is a task or when there is an important announcement. That's the time. Or if somebody is really sick, the doctor comes in a special room to see them. Everything is monitored. There is not a single corner in the house. 150 cameras and such sensitive, strong mics कि आप whisper भी करेंगे ना, the mics catch it. So nothing is scripted about Big Boss. Nothing at all.
So since you just said that you have to be there, just arguments हो जाते हैं, someday you like somebody, someday you do not like somebody, and you have to naturally कितने दिन तक कोई इंसान fake कर सकता है? You have to be yourself at the end. Didn't you worry a little bit कि how would people react or what would people outside think like?
So I'm a very different kind of person. I don't really care कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. For me, from the very beginning, I've been like this. Like even when I did Kaata Laga, it was never about log kya kahenge. It's about mujhe kya acha lagta hai. And if you like it, great. If you don't like it, your problem.
We love it.
Yeah. So मुझे जो सही लगता था वो मैंने किया घर में. Sometimes the whole house opposed it, and I was standing against the whole house. I said, no, मैंने ये decision लिया है तो लिया है. I don't care about what you think. I don't care about what you think about me. What I think about myself is more important. So that's what the game said.
So that's
That is what the game said. You have to stand up for yourself. And if you're weak, then you're eliminated.
Absolutely. I'm sure this has been a very, very beautiful experience for you because you seem to be so happy and flourished out of it. Going back to Kaata Laga, so this is the first time I am interviewing you. So I will be having पुराना questions also.
Please
कि
ask.
जब काटा लगा आया, उसके बाद we all expected that we'll be seeing you in more numbers and all of that. Why didn't you opt for more such dance numbers after that?
So many songs came to me and so much work came to me. But you know, I hail from a very academic family. When Katalaga also happened to me, I didn't audition for it or anything. I was outside
Wow.
my college, and that's where the directors of my video, Radhika Rao and Vinay Sapru, spotted me and they offered me the song. So that's how the song happened to me. And my father was dead against me, you know, doing it. And because I was pursuing my engineering that time. And he said that I'll throw you out of the house. So I took mom in confidence and then we convinced him that come on. And look, you know, any teenage girl, she want to see herself on TV, yeah. And of course for the pocket money, I was getting paid 7,000 rupees. I felt rich. I said,
Wow.
I have to do this. I'm gonna get 7,000 rupees. So I convinced my dad, but my dad took a promise from me that आप पढ़ाई नहीं छोड़ेंगे. You know, that is first priority. So when Kata Laga happened, we thought it was just going to be a song और खत्म हो जाएगा. But it became such a huge hit, we never thought. And then the offers were pouring in. So because I didn't come from a filmy family, we didn't know what to do. You know, you tend to get confused when suddenly so much is happening. And of course, my promise to my father that I will finish my studies. So वो भी एक हुआ. And then we decided to go slow for self-preservation, to protect our own selves. Because मैं वैसे filmy family नहीं थी, you know, we had to फूक के कदम रखना था. So we went slow, and I've been slow throughout my journey. But it's been a very fulfilling journey. थोड़ा काम किया but अच्छा काम किया. You know, I like to.
That's true. That's true. You've been a good girl in everybody's books. That is for sure.
I
That is something. But
don't make history.
so let me tell you, once you came out of the Big Boss house, I'm sure everybody from like all the contestants, they had their work lined up. And then comes the pandemic, which we've only heard in videos and films and storybooks. But we're actually living in something like that.
Shocker. In fact, we were inside the house when the whole corona thing had started. So when Big Boss got over and we came out, we didn't understand the seriousness of it. कि क्या है? Because we were not exposed to that news. फिर धीरे धीरे जब इंडिया में लॉकडाउन अनाउंस हो तो पहले तो समझ ही नहीं आया because first few days we all just wanted to be home. We just wanted to enjoy our own house. We wanted to sleep in our own bed, shower in our own bathrooms, घर का खाना and all that. But before we started going out, taking up work and everything, lockdown हो गया. Up for everybody, we had all commitments. So my shows were booked all the way up to June, which got cancelled, or some of them got postponed indefinitely. Now the situation ऐसी है कि it's actually becoming worse, unfortunately. And I don't know when we're going to start working again. जो ऑफर्स हमने पहले हाँ कही थी, you know, concrete हुई थी, वो वापस रिवाइव होगी नहीं होगी, क्योंकि लॉकडाउन कब खुलेगा, we don't know. So right now we are all in such a limbo, we don't know.
You know, so since it is such a critical situation and that makes us all sit at home, obviously, you know, but I too sometimes have to go down to bring milk for the cats and stuff. I see a lot of people still hanging around without masks.
Yeah, that makes me very angry. It makes me very angry, you know, because I haven't stepped out of my house. I think in the past so many weeks I must have stepped out only 3 or 4 times. That also when I urgently need to go out and get some groceries or some medicines, or you know, because home delivery available nahi hai. And I step out and people are chatting and talking, and I mean I feel so angry कि हम सब घर बैठे हुए हैं, कितने लोगों की livelihood इस पे depend कर रही है, you know. And they look like educated people. They don't understand the seriousness of the issue. ये situation control में तभी आएगी जब हम सब घर में बैठेंगे. The sooner, you know, the more we are at home, the sooner the situation will come back to normal. I don't understand why people are not getting that.
So all we can do is just hope, because that's the only thing that everybody has in hand. Let's just hope for things.
Yeah, and how difficult is it to stay at your house, yaar? All the time आप complain कर रहे होते हो, काम पे होते हो कि भाई नींद नहीं हुई. I wish I could spend more time at home and those kind of things. Now when you're finally home, I know it gets boring. but just do it, do it for the country. We are in this together, and only together we will emerge victorious in this battle against Corona, COVID-19. It's not your battle or my battle. हम सबको साथ में मिलके लड़ना है. And as celebrities, common people, सब लोग इतने messages देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, सब समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
But कोई नहीं
some people
सुनते.
like to take it too lightly, and that makes me very angry sometimes.
Because most likely people are thinking that they wouldn't probably catch it, or maybe they have a good immunity, but they don't know they can give it.
ये तो उनको होता है, हमको नहीं होता. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Just भगवान ना करे किसी के दुश्मन को ना हो. But you have to see the videos of those people who contracted the virus and how difficult it is for them to breathe. And so many people are losing their lives. You can't be taking this lightly. It has to be taken seriously.
So I hope whoever's listening and who is loitering around from these people, they would stop since you said it.
Yeah.
I'm going to come to a little happy question to you now.
Yes, let's do it.
So I've been seeing that you put up videos about your skincare. Then you did also about how to kind of maintain cleanliness. अभी आगे जाके क्या list बनाया है आपने कि क्या क्या करेंगे हम lockdown में? What are we gonna see?
So it all depends on what my followers want. So I was getting a lot of requests initially for beauty recipes. So मैंने पहले एक video बनाया of a face scrub that I use. And people loved it, and they were giving me the honest opinion that we used it और हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगा. And the thing is, I kind of use organic and natural products और मुझे लगता है कि हमारे जो किचन में जो चीजें अवेलेबल है ना, इंडियन स्पाइसेस और मसाले वगैरह, herbs जो होते हैं, they are fantastic. They're Indians, हमारे पे वो सूट करती है. So I put on scrubs. Then a lot of requests came in for my quarantine skincare routine because अभी थोड़ा limited है ना stock भी. Like today we cannot go out to a departmental store and buy the regular creams and lotions, potions. So I made a video about what I'm doing for my quarantine. That kind of really helped a lot of people, because वो बहुत easily available products थे. And I believe in, I don't have any secrets. If what I'm doing, if it's helping y'all and benefiting y'all, I'm very happy. So next, I'm getting a lot of requests for video on hair care. So वो बनाऊंगी. They want a video on what face masks I use. I think I'll make a video on that. So yeah, so I'm enjoying it. But once the requests come in, and I see अच्छा बहुत सारी requests हो गई, अब बनाना पड़ेगा. फिर मैं बनाती हूँ. And I put it out there, and people really appreciate it.
Wow, we are also going to request one topic to you whenever you get time. If you could also, kind of cheer people up who are not really happy mentally currently because the situation is taking a
I'll
toll.
tell you, I'm also not happy mentally. Okay, so you have to do things that make you happy. So there are so many things that you've always wanted to do. मगर वक्त की कमी होती थी और काम में बिजी होते थे और रोजमर्रा में हम घिस रहे पिट रहे, हम वक्त नहीं मिलता था. So I used to paint many years ago और वो छूट चुका, और फिर I took it up again and it just makes me so happy now. और उससे क्या हुआ दूसरा कि सोशल मीडिया से और ये जो टेलीविजन एंड दिस न्यूज एंड एवरीथिंग ना थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया माइंड. तो क्या ओवरलोड इतना हो रहा था ना कि अरे इतने लोग बीमार पड़ रहे, अभी ये होगा, अभी वो होगा, अभी ऐसा होगा, वैसा होगा. So I got distracted from all that and I'm in a happier space right now. So I can tell people that why don't you just pick up a hobby, Like Parag has been cooking. He has never entered the kitchen, but he's been cooking every day. And he's like, wearing his apron and he's singing. Banate. So I can see he's happy. So you can find your own passion, anything. Could be writing, could be yoga, could be painting, singing, gardening, कुछ भी यार, anything that made you happy. But I also believe exercising is very important because ना healthy body के साथ साथ ना mind को भी healthy रखता है. तो थोड़ा मैं योगा कर लेती हूँ. Every day I do yoga. I work out in the morning. So I think that keeps me healthy physically and mentally. So I advise people to be active, not become very lazy right now. थोड़ा सा कुछ activity करो, yoga करो. इतने videos online available.
Actually, there's so many tutorials, even Zumba and this and that. There's so much to do.
TV पे ना एक movie लगाने की जगह Zumba video लगा दो. Just follow dance, enjoy yourself. Imagine you're in a club, with your friends.
If everybody follows what you say, imagine everyone's going to come out with six packs after the lockdown goes off.
मेरे तो नहीं है सिक्स पैक, बड़ा खाना बना के मुझे मोटा कर रहे
अच्छा टेल मी, जैसे ये तो ऑब्वियसली पैंडेमिक है, हमको सबको बैठना ही है घर पे, बट इससे पहले हैज इट एवर हैपेंड दैट यू गॉट लॉक्ड इन योर हाउस और समवेयर बीन लॉक्ड, गलती से कभी हुआ है?
लॉक तो नहीं, मगर एक एयरपोर्ट पे आई वाज स्टक फॉर 3 days.
What?
हाँ, मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी एंड I had to fly back to India, and the flight, I think, had an emergency landing in another city called Adelaide. और वहाँ पे we were deplaned and then we were like, okay, technical error है कुछ, तो हम बैठे रहे 2 दिन हो गया, and then we really fought with them. So what is wrong with you guys? So then they put us up at a hotel, but yeah, we were stuck because I was in Australia, and unfortunately my parents had that time met with an accident in India, so I was really trying to come back, और वहाँ स्टक थे, तो इट इज नॉट अ प्लेजेंट फीलिंग. तो ये पहले हो चुका है, ये था कुछ 2005-2006 में हुआ था मेरे साथ. बट घर पे आई हैव नेवर बीन स्टक, नेवर. मैं तो दरवाजा तोड़ के बाहर भाग जाऊँ.
Okay, so before I take the fan questions, I'm going to just ask you one last one. जब ये सारा न्यूज आया एंड जब बोला गया कि लोगों को क्वारंटाइन होना है, whatever the word is, did you know about the word quarantine before this?
हाँ, I knew, but I thought it was a very dangerous word. मैंने कहा हाय क्वारंटीन मतलब क्या, मतलब हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, बट लिटरल सेंस में ना, बिकॉज मैंने मूवी वगैरह में क्वारंटीन देखा था तो बड़ी डेंजरस लगता था. It was not that bad,
It's not that bad.
Quarantine, oh my god, अब क्या होगा, ये होगा, वो होगा, मिलिट्री राज हो जाएगा, कर्फ्यू लग जाएगा. It was not so bad.
Absolutely, we do. So I'm going to just pick some fun fan questions. There's one from Pooja Goyal. आपकी very common question, I'm sure. आपकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है?
Happiness. मैं बताऊं, खुश रहो. और ना, it's not what you apply on your skin, it's actually what you eat. The state of your stomach reflects onto your overall, the way you look. आपकी जो lifestyle होती है, if you're having a clean, healthy lifestyle, that kind of works, overall. It's not one thing. बहुत सारी चीजें together make you look healthy and radiant and glowing. तो मेरे लिए सालों से I've been doing yoga, workout. मैं जंक खाना इतना नहीं खाती हूँ, मुझे शौक ही नहीं है. हाँ, मगर जिस दिन मन किया तो मन भर के खाती हूँ मैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि I deprive myself. But everything in moderation. I think moderation is very important. और कोई बुरी आदतें नहीं. I think that works.
You speak so well, I could probably sit the entire day talking to you on live, but I'll have to quickly. There's another question from Dhruv Upadhyay saying, Shifali ma'am, please shout out my name. I really love you.
Dhruv Upadhyay. I shouted out your name.
Okay, let me check. Hindi में बोलो जा पंजाबी में. Can you say a line in Punjabi?
I don't know Punjabi.
Why would somebody ask that then? Okay, one person is saying, what's your day routine like in quarantine?
So, very important to have a sense of routine. I sleep उतना ही जितना मैं normally सोती हूँ, नहीं तो काम जब वापस करना शुरू करेंगे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी. 24 घंटे की नींद की आदत नहीं डालनी है, तो मैं वो 6-8 घंटे सोती हूँ. सुबह मैक्सिमम 9-9:30 बजे तक उठ जाती हूँ. उठते ही मैं अपना एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ 1 घंटा, फिर वी गेट ऑन विद द घर का काम, उसमें 1-2 घंटे चले जाते हैं. फिर उसके बाद दोपहर में we take some time off, like I like to read or whether I'm painting. तो दोपहर या तो 1-8 घंटा सो गए, because I love my afternoon siestas. So I go to sleep. Then in the evening I exercise again. I do my yoga. फिर डिनर टाइम हो जाता है, फिर डिनर करके फिर हम थोड़ा बहुत टीवी देखते हैं, फिर सो जाते हैं. सिंपल रूटीन.
Talking about your fans, more than questions, people are just having a lot of love to offer your way. People are just going on saying, I love you, I love you, I love you, and sending hearts and lots of.
I love you all.
Okay, then. Lastly, what would you want to say to all your fans who've been showering all their love to you, and I'm sure they'll continue to do so forever?
I hope they continue to do so forever. I just want to thank all you lovely people out there. आप लोग बहुत प्यार देते हैं, बहुत सपोर्ट देते हैं, एंड यू नो जो आप मुझे पूछते हैं ना मैं ऐसी क्यों लगती हूँ, ये आपके प्यार की वजह से लगती हूँ. मेक्स मी रियली हैप्पी. सो थैंक यू सो मच. आप हमेशा ऐसे ही एनकरेज कीजिए, प्यार दीजिए, मेरे साथ रहिए. आई प्रॉमिस यू आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू एंटरटेन यू. आई विल नॉट लेट यू डाउन. And constructive criticism मैं बहुत अच्छे से लेती हूँ. So if there's anything you want to tell me, you can tell me. There is no problem. But just be happy, be healthy, be safe. Enjoy this time with your family, because when we get back to routine, you will miss this time. ये वक्त वापस नहीं आएगा. भगवान करे ये वक्त वापस कभी ना आए. इस ऐसा वक्त कभी वापस ना आए. So just enjoy yourselves. खुश रहो. You know, make the most of it. Count your blessings. Be happy.
So, on that note, I'd like to say you're such a sport, and I really enjoyed having this conversation with you. Thank you so much for coming on Bollywood Bubble Live. I hope you liked
I
it.
loved being live with you all, and let's do this again very soon. And lots of
Yes.
kisses to everybody who participated. Thank you so much for your love, everybody.
Thank you, Shefali. We love you.
Love you too.
Bye. Take care. Stay safe.
Bye.
So guys, that was Shefali Jariwala with us. I hope you all liked the conversation. In case आपको ये दोबारा से देखना है तो do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is of course Bollywood Bubble. And I hope you all are at home and safe. I'll see you soon again. This was your host Srishti Pathak signing out.